Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, we are going to be doing my June Boxycharm unboxing. I really hope that you guys are excited, and without further ado, if you would like to know what I got in this month's box, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so jumping right on into it, because I did actually get to shop the pop-up shop this time, and I'm going to share those products with you at the end of this video, so stay tuned if you want to see that. So jumping right on into this month's box, this month's theme is called The Oasis, which is really cute, and obviously this is the card that has all the products on it, description and pricing. And then it looks like we also have something from Kylie Skin, and so it says enjoy $5 off your next kylieskin.com order with the promo code Boxy5. I will write that down in the description bar for you guys if you are interested and want to take advantage of that. So obviously jumping right on in, the first thing in the box is the Kylie Skin. It's the Kylie Skin by Kylie Jenner foaming face wash. This is what the packaging looks like. This retails for $24. It just says our foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. It cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. You are getting 5 fluid ounces in this container. The packaging is super cute. I will say I do like her packaging. It's really pretty, really simple. Let's open this up and see what the container looks like. Oh, so this is what she looks like right here. Pretty simple foaming face wash. So I will say with this product, I want to see what it smells like really quick. Hold on. It's quite fragrant. It actually has almost kind of like a perfumey smell, which I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. I normally don't care for my skincare, like the washes that I use, to be super, super fragrant. Anyways, moving right on along. The next thing in the box is this Smashbox Photo Finish Weightless Setting Spray. This retails for $32. Obviously, this is just what it sounds like, a setting spray. I actually used to use this setting spray all the time way back in the day when I first got into makeup years and years and years ago before I started YouTube. This was the setting spray to have, and so this is the one that I had and I use. I am not mad at this, honestly. I will say the thing I'm a little disappointed in is like, this is nothing new by any means. It's not even like the most popular setting spray out on the market now. Like, if I'm keeping it real, I probably would have preferred to get like the Morphe setting spray, like, if I'm being honest, because that one is top tier. I don't know. I'm not super, super pumped about it, but I'm not mad that I have it either. Does that make any sense? Moving right on along. Okay, so this next thing is actually this, I'm pretty sure is a product that I picked to have in this box. I've never done that before either. I've never customized the one item that you can pick from. I just happened to be online and it was there, so I just did it. But this is the Hoola Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. This retails for $28. It says that this eye balm stick, oh, I definitely thought it was a cream, interesting, delivers a lit from within glow while instantly hydrating, cooling, and filling in the fine lines around the eyes. You'll feel awake with this eye balm and look refreshed and energized so you can glow and get it. Interesting. This is 10 grams, again, $28. I definitely thought this was going to be just like a normal eye cream gel, but it is not. Look at this bad boy. It doesn't really have a smell, but at the same time, it has a light glue stick. Smell. I don't even know. I'm just going to put it on my hand because I picked it. Why the heck not? And see what it does. It kind of looks like a glue stick. Y'all can't tell me it don't kind of remind you of the purple glue stick that goes from purple to clear. The best glue stick there is, honestly. No, it's the product. It definitely has a really weird smell to it. It definitely gives you kind of like a glow, as you can see. My hand is kind of glowy. I don't know, it has like little light blue reflex. I think I would have to try it out. Obviously, I think it's something you can kind of use under your makeup since it says it fills in your fine lines. This will probably be something that I use during the day, not necessarily at night. I will give it a try, but to be honest, you guys, I'm not really impressed off of a first look and a first impression, which is kind of bumming me out. Uh-oh. 2 more products now. Oh. All right, so this is the, what is this? The Cab Cosmetics Lip Duo. This retails for $40. Ooh, I love the like holographic packaging right there. It says, Cab Cosmetics Charming Lip Duo has everything you need to create this glossy lip you've always wanted. The vanilla scented duo is perfect for a night out on the town or a casual everyday look. Use the liner and the gloss together or each on their own. So I do think that's really nice that obviously this is something that comes with what I assume is the same thing. This is in the shade Charming. Oh, that is a fat tube. Oh my gosh. Holy smack. And it comes with a matching liner. These look pretty promising actually. I'll go ahead and swatch these because I feel like this is pretty promising. This honestly looks kind of like a ColourPop product. That's what it reminds me of. Oh, okay. Let me swatch the gloss next to it real quick and I'll show you guys. Do you see that? That is the size of a concealer wand. That thing is a huge, that's what she said. Anyways. Ooh, she's thick. Ooh, thick in the packaging, thick in the formula. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I'm honestly not mad at it. I don't know if it's picking up on camera just how thick this product is, but she thick. It's actually pretty similar to the shade I have on, just a little bit more pink. So why don't we actually just go ahead and try it on? So maybe something will come out of this box in a positive way. Okay, so last thing in the box is this Laura Geller Multitasking Cream to Powder Trio. This retails for $24. It just says 3-Well Multitasking Cream to Powder Face Palette, includes 2 finishes, demi matte and subtle shimmer. Obviously it says each of these can be used on various parts of the face, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. That is what, let me move this real quick for you guys. That is what it looks like on the inside. So it looks like you've got kind of like a bronzer color, a blush color, and then a highlighter color, but obviously it can be used on, I guess, eyes, lips, and cheeks. Yep, it literally is an eye, lip, and cheek palette. So that is what they look like. I am not gonna swatch it because products like this aren't my jam, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in there. I don't really care for like cream products to this degree. Okay guys, so that was everything in this month's box. My total retail value came out to $148. That's not too bad, but it's honestly not the best that Boxycharm has done, I think. So yeah, you guys, this month's box really was not it for me. I'm really not impressed. I would definitely venture to say this is probably the worst box that I've gotten so far this year, which is really a bummer. But with that being said, we are going to dive into what I purchased in the pop-up shop, which is probably going to brighten my mood because obviously I purchased everything, and so I'm going to be excited about it. So let me grab this. This is what I picked up from the pop-up shop. It was like $200 worth of stuff, and I got some stuff for me and I got some stuff for you guys for an upcoming giveaway. So let's get into this real quick. So the first thing that I picked up were 2 of these Glam Glow Essentials Mask and Moisture. So this is what it looks like. You get quite a few different masks, and this down here is a kind of like a clearing treatment. So you get the Gravity Mud, the Thirsty Mud, Powder Mud, Flash Mud, and the Glow Starter, which is a moisturizer. I ended up getting another Glam Glow product, which I'm pretty excited about. This box, though, I will say, these boxes have seen some better days, you guys. Like, they are all kind of bent up. They didn't really put any protective stuff in the box, which to me, I'm like, girl, I spent so much money, put some bubble wrap or something. But this box has seen better days. But this is the Glam Glow Insta Mud 60-second pore refining treatment. I have never tried this out, and I got it for like a really ridiculous price. So next, I picked up a ton, as you can see, a ton of these Starry Eyes masks. I received 2 of these in a Boxycharm in the past. You guys, I love it. I have been so stingy, and I used one and I've been saving the other one because I didn't want to not have it anymore. I know that sounds so weird, but it is a self-warming mask. So when you put it on, I don't know how it knows because you don't like pop it or anything by what I remembered. No, yeah, you don't pop it or anything, but when you take it out of the package and you put it on, it starts to warm. You guys, it's so lovely. These were stupid cheap. They're pretty cheap in general anyways, but these were stupid cheap on this sale, and so I bought quite a few. I'm gonna keep some. I'm probably gonna put some in a giveaway pile for you guys. But I really, really liked it. I thought this was really lovely. I wore it like right as I was like going to sleep, and yeah, I couldn't be happier about that. Had to have some more. Next, I picked up 2 of these Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Eye Patches. So this is what they look like. Obviously got one for me, got one for you guys. I did pick up 3 different MAC lipsticks. You guys, I do remember that these were $4, and I was like, for $4? Girl, I have paid, I think MAC lipsticks are like 20 bucks. So I mean, I have quite a few of them. I do like MAC lipsticks. They are really solid. They are a good like OG formula. And yeah, so I think these are all matte lipsticks. Oh no, I got a cream sheen in the shade Pretty Boy, which is like this orangey color. This is a luster lipstick in the shade Lustering. And then I got the matte lipstick in the shade Candy Yum Yum. This is a cult favorite. In all honesty, you guys, I don't know what I'm going to do with these yet. I picked them up just because I was like, for $4 and I don't own any of these. But I have not decided if I'm going to keep them or put them in a giveaway, to be real. I think it just depends on if I decide to reach for one of these. And we'll see how it goes from there. Because I do know I like them. For $4, I was just happy spending. The next thing that I got is the Ciate London Dewy Stick, and this is the Luminess Highlighting Balm in the shade Glow. So many of you may remember that I got this one in the shade Gleam in my Sephora haul, and it is like a more gold looking one. I'll swatch it for you guys right there if you can see that. And I thought this was the one that Alyssa Ashley had talked about in her video that made me want it, but I was wrong. It was this one, and Sephora doesn't carry this one online for some reason, which rude. But this is the one that is like more of a neutral color, so I was like, well girl, you might as well go ahead and get it because you wanted it anyways. I am livid. How irritating. Boxycharm, you got some splaining to do now. You've got some splaining to do. Okay, now that I have made a ridiculous mess, and I'm gonna have to put that thing in the fridge because it's just, she's deformed. I'm gonna swatch it like this for you guys. Yeah, see, I'm gonna have to fix it because she's coming off way too thick, unlike this one, as you can see. But anyways, this is what it looks like now that I've actually gotten the product situated. So it's got more like a natural iridescent-y color, where this is definitely way more gold. I don't know how well you can see that. There you go. Moving along. Next thing in here I got is this, what is it? This Becca Velvet Blurring Primer in the shade Apricot Haze. I don't think I've ever really tried a Becca primer. I think maybe the backlight one I had like a sample of. And this one sounded really interesting. It sounded like, it kind of reminded me of the, what is it? I used it today. The Cover FX Blurring Primer. It kind of reminded me that it would kind of be like that. And so I figured that I would try it out. This is just what it looks like. So I will be testing that out pretty soon. But I figured it ain't gonna hurt nobody for the price. And then the last 2 things that I got are these. I'm just gonna take out the one, but I got 2 of them. Is this Luxy Dreamcatcher Collection 15-piece brush set. I do remember that this was like $40, and I ended up getting one for my mom. I got one for me, and I got one to eventually give away to you guys. It comes with this little thing right here that tells you of all the brushes that come inside, and this is just like a container that it comes in. Yeah, and then you also get a brush holder with it, which I thought was really cool and really fun. And then you get 15 different brushes, all with like the purple handle, and it's got face brushes, eye brushes, and everything like that. I've received different Luxy brushes from Boxycharm before. I think they are pretty solid brushes, and for $40 to get a 15-piece set and a little thing, I thought that was a pretty stinking good deal. And to be honest, with someone like me who doesn't necessarily wash my brushes every time, I just kind of let them pile up. Having more brushes does not hurt me, and I don't know, so I thought it was really cool. But that was everything that I picked up in the pop-up, other than my Ciate London little dewy stick playing me like that, and some of the poor packaging. Boxycharm. The pop-up was pretty successful. I definitely think it was a pretty good deal. Did I need to spend this much money? Absolutely not. Anyways, you guys, that is all for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching. If you yourself have Boxycharm, let me know what you thought of your box this month and what was your favorite product. And if you don't have Boxycharm, well then just let me know what you thought of my box this month and if I was overreacting or if this box really did fall short. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you did enjoy it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday, and if you hit that notification bell, you will never miss an upload from me. Last but not least, you can also come follow your girl on Instagram at Alyssa and Pope, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!